Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to crochet this super easy twist headband. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Materials you will need for this project: a yarn of any color you want your headband to be, a needle, scissor and 3mm hook. And I highly recommend picking up 100% acrylic yarn. To begin, first let's create a slip knot. Hold the end of your yarn, wrap it around your finger, hold the working yarn and pull through. And this is your slip knot. Now let's make a chain. To make a chain, yarn over, pull through. This is a chain number 1, chain number 2, 3 and 4. Repeat this till chain number 20. I have completed 20 chain and now let's begin row 1. Insert your hook into the second chain from the hook, yarn over and pull through. And there should be 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through. Insert your hook in the next chain again, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Repeat this till the end of your chain. Have completed row 1. So to begin next row, always chain 1 and turn your work around and start doing single crochet as we did in row 1. Don't forget to insert your hook into the first chain and use the same process. After finishing this row, to begin, chain 1 again and repeat this until you reach your desired length for your head size. And I have done crocheting for my head size, and this is how it looks like. To finish up the row, you will need to chain 1. And now to make a twist, we have to fold it on both sides. And slide it in the middle. And now start showing. Show it again and again just to make sure that it's extra secure. And this is how your twist headband will look like. So that's all for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share and comment down below. So bye bye, I'll be back with more videos.